Hi there, everyone. Today I wanted to share some tips for you if you might be a beginner in digital marketing, and are also considering starting a digital marketing business. So my first tip for you is whether you're looking at this program or any other program or product, is that you want to find a program or a product that truly aligns with you. What do I mean by that? Well, aside from the money that you could potentially earn doing that, promoting the product, what do you really like about the program or the product? How does it speak to you? How does it resonate with you? Is it something that could benefit you as well that you be using in your own life? Is it something that you really love or maybe want to learn more about? Whether it's something that has to do with skills, whether it has something to do with your health, something to do with books or whatever it might be. What is it about it that you like? Because if you are focused only on the money, that could create some challenges for you because that's going to make it more difficult for you to connect with your ideal customer. If you feel drawn to something, ask yourself why. What is it about this? So for me, this program spoke to me because I was looking for an opportunity that would provide me the time and the financial freedom that I was looking for to be able to spend on my well-being and to work on other aspects of my business and to be able to have a flexible schedule. And when I found out about the blueprint and I discovered the comprehensive training that is involved and that I would get access to, plus the differences that were in each product because there's different levels of training. And I realized these are skills that I could really, really benefit from. Anyone who's in business could really benefit from these skills because you need to know digital marketing. So each of the 4 products is designed to fit different goals and needs. And when I found out that this was including comprehensive training, it was an earn as you learn opportunity, it was promoting a 2-hour workday, and the communities, the support that is behind it, that all really spoke to me. My second tip for you is avoid comparing yourself to others. Most of us have a tendency to do this in our society. And we forget that we are all unique. We have all had different experiences. We all have different talents. We all have different skill levels. And, well, we also all have different levels of mindset. These can all play a factor as to where we are on our journey. So that's why some people in our program succeed in making $10,000 to $30,000 within their first couple of weeks or first month or something like that when they start this program. And other people, it could take them 10 months before they get there. Because we all have different learning styles. We're all in different places on our journey. Some have already done some type of marketing in their business and just needed a bit more guidance and skill set to take them to the next level. Some people are absolutely complete beginners. You know, maybe the only reason they go online is to like maybe search for something on the internet or to go on social media and or maybe play a game or something like that. And that's pretty much all they might know about using tech. And then some people feel completely tech challenged. They struggle to figure out the ins and outs of different platforms and tools and that, and have to take more time to figure things out. Or maybe they have other challenges that they have to work through. I love that this program that I'm in has tons of tech support. Every single week there's tech support. Where there's a live meeting and people can ask questions, but there's also customer service that you can email questions when those calls are not happening as well. And there is also mindset support within our community. Again, there's a weekly mentoring session, live mentoring session that happens, as well as in our community helps to lift each other up and support each other. We share our wins, we share if somebody is expressing a struggle or a challenge, that there are other members who will help to lift them up. And I personally feel that it is highly beneficial to be able to look to communicate, to learn how to communicate whatever business you might be in from a place of service. This is something I'm still learning about, learning how to do, because I have a tendency to try and talk from a very factual, informational type of place. And you know, unless I'm talking about a personal experience where I can share my feelings and my emotions and all of that, I'm still learning. So I'm still learning how to do this. But you also want to be able to communicate your business from a place that is truly you. You know, and I try to do that from my perspective of being connected, my appreciation of spirituality and nature and personal growth, and sometimes even with my connection regarding animals, pets, that I try to bring all of that in, because that is all a real part of me. And, you know, you might see other people expressing themselves in their social media videos and posts, and you like what they're doing, and you can see that they are getting engagement and doing well. But this doesn't mean you should copy them. because what they're doing is working for them. But if you can see what they're doing and connect with it and find a way to make it unique to you, then that is going to help you. My third tip is that you need to be willing to follow a proven blueprint. There's a reason why it's a proven blueprint, because it has worked for everyone who has followed it. And the 5-step system that is in the blueprint for my community has definitely been proven to work. There are many, many members in my community who have made thousands of dollars doing this business. You just need to be willing to be consistent, patient, focused, and be open to new ways of doing things, which is my 4th tip. Tip number 5 is you need to be willing to engage in and learn from others. My 6th tip is to spend at least 15 minutes every single day, or as many days as possible. I usually take 1 day off a week, so I do 6 days a week. But spend at least 15 minutes each day that you can doing some type of training in the digital marketing arena that is going to help enhance your skills, or maybe give you an aha of, oh, I could look at it this way, or I could do it this way. Anything that's going to help you to continue to improve. The goal is to aim for 1% improvement every single day. And yeah, there's going to be some days probably where you're going to fall off the horse. But you always want to make sure you get back on. And this is a big one for me that I'm continuing to work on, but it's my tip number 7. Start learning how to let go of the outcome. You know, we can get very attached to our goals and say, I have to achieve this by this point. And then we get so disappointed and beating ourselves up because we didn't get to a certain point. It's fine to have a goal, but make it a movable goal. You know, if you were to say, for example, you wanted to make $30,000 in 3 months, and you ended up making 15,000 in 3 months. To me, that would still be a win. Maybe you didn't get to where you'd hope to get to, but it's still a win because it's still growth. Let go of your expectations. And focus on sharing from your heart instead of your head. Many of these tips are ones that I'm working on an ongoing basis, but I feel that they are very important for the journey. Yeah, there's a lot of skills we can learn, but skills can always be learned no matter where you are. These tips, I feel, can support anyone in their journey, regardless of which online business they do, regardless of which program they do, regardless of which product they choose to promote. And being able to support each other and encourage each other, I think that's really big. So let me know your thoughts. Excuse me. Let me know your thoughts on what I've shared with you. And perhaps you have some of your own ideas that you think would be valuable. And I'd love to hear them. Share them in the comments. And if you are ready to explore the program that I am a part of, you can go to www.soulfulwealthsystem, www.soulfulwealthsystem.ca.